Money markets price 80% chance of 25 basis point ECB rate cut by July 2026.
Yo, good morning. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Wow. I need to clean my glasses, man. They got so much crap on them. Oh, that made it worse. Oh dear, that made it worse. 1 second. I can't see without my glasses. Right there, now I should be able to see. Okay. Do the same strategy that you did to get up 2% on the account. Also, welcome everyone. Morning. Yeah, bro, I swear I'm blind, you know. Okay, so I did take a long on gold, but it was literally like 2:15 in the morning. I woke up and I just looked at gold and I longed it here. I made like $15 and then it took me out. I wanted to long from here, but I fell asleep. I literally fell asleep because this area right here on gold was really nice. So from around here to here, tagged literally the 50% of that absolutely beautifully. It would have been nice if I caught another trade like this. And then it went all the way up, so it would have been nice. Oh, but it's crazy volume though, man. Look at this. Yeah, we dropped 1,000 pips, then we went up 1,000 pips. Bro, what is this? Is crazy volume on gold right now, like insane volume on gold. So right now I'm looking to either get long again, probably around about here. So if we go up and bounce above this, so like if we come out and we kind of bounce there, that's kind of where I'm gonna be looking to get in. As long as you get a bounce and then it'll continue higher. If we drop down, then obviously I'd like to go long here and then target back into these highs. So yeah, I'm just gonna set an lower time frame, key area, lower time frame, key area, set an alert right here. 79, 80, 99.30, that'll do fine. Why not? So yeah, it's annoying because obviously if that trade would have tagged me now, I would have been up beautifully, but nope, didn't happen. Silver was a really good opportunity, but I didn't want to take it because there's crazy spreads that it does. I'd rather be safe than be sorry, that's for sure. You get all my accounts out now, freaking managing 10 bloody accounts, god damn it. So I made 0.5% yesterday, so I need to make another 0.5% by the 24th, and then I can request my payout and there should not be any issues. Inshallah. I say that just because you never bloody know. With these prop firms and stuff, man, you never literally know. So yeah, I do like the look of this. Oh wow, okay, what's going on here, man? Where's the... Okay, right into Wednesday. You need to bring right back in. So I like the look of this. as in there's an invalid zone right there possibly, and then obviously we've got this nice little channel going on right there. So I like the look of this. This looks like a really possibly a clean setup. So I do like the look of that. Just need to go to lower time frame and see if price does drop into this level. Then we might be able to get long from there. We could short, but obviously the zone could fail on the short, and it's best to kind of wait just in case it does give it just in case it does that kind of issue where you do try to short it from there and that zone does end up failing. Then obviously you got slapped by the market, so it's good to just kind of sit and be patient in some scenarios and just wait for your zones to get tagged or triggered. So yeah. Also, what's going on with the daily on ooh, we're coming back into this level here. That is concerning. That is quite concerning. Oh no. There's no news today, so we got clear trading day, no issues, hopefully. Let's pull MetaTrader out on the phone, get prepped and stuff. So let's go to a 5-minute chart and then see what happens. I mean, it looks like we're making lower highs and lower lows, but that's not enough for me to do anything. Like there's no significance of that. We had this come here, take this high. Yeah, have we got anything else there that might be? Oh, wait a second.
Bank of Japan's Uchida saying Japan's economy is recovering moderately.
I don't like the look of this channel. To be honest, yeah, this looks like a good zone, to be fair. Build up, expansion outwards, took out a level, bearish structure. But then we're holding demand zone, innit? We're holding. So it's struggling to literally break to the downside. So that for me is obviously suspicious, because if it was the case that was the real move of the day, then why wouldn't it just take that zone out? And I think that this zone looks invalid also. 1 second. So this zone right here looks invalid too. I'm suspicious on that. What about GU?
Tankan showed business sentiment turned positive for some manufacturers as uncertainty over US tariff outlook recedes.
There's no significant level there, so I'm just gonna have to follow what price is doing on the intraday perspective, which is let's have a look. Build up, sweep, break structure. mitigation into demand zone, build up, brief pullback, break structure, mitigation into demand zone, break structure again, mitigation to demand. It looks like buys are still the way to go because there's no signifying traits of anything failing on there in terms of, like, if I want to get in longs, I want to see like failure and stuff like that of like highs and stuff like that. See a failure of breaks of structure in the market and stuff, but it's showing bullish structure, so yeah. We did have a build-up expansion outwards with relatively equal highs, and now we're coming down. That would potentially leave a high open. Yeah, would it leave a high open? So I'm expecting that zone to fail there on GU. I mean, it makes sense, to be fair. What about on EU? You see an invalid zone on the bottom side. That's interesting. So if GU's up 0.17, EU's up 0.2, so oh god, look at gbpchf. Let's not miss anything. Oh, I haven't even opened all my accounts. Oh my god, the trade copier. Why am I so late today? Now let me open the trade copier on everything really quickly. Make sure me no behind nothing. Okay, so news today: Eurozone, 10 o'clock CPI, Swiss unemployment at 7. Oh, is that why we had that move? But it's not done anything. So what happened at Swiss? There was no forecast. Okay, it come out as forecast. Why did it not give a move? I thought that would have given a move, man. I'm surprised by that, in all honesty. Okay, so potentially high that we need to break. I want price to come down. I want price to come down here, tag this zone ideally, then break structure, tag this zone ideally, and then hopefully tag into this and fail it. Hopefully. Because they're so close to that invalid zone. I don't like the look of how close you are, so you'll have to be a bit patient on this one. So 7:30, Governor Uchida-san speaks. Oh no, that's gonna give volume to the yen. I'm gonna have to be careful. I'm gonna have to be careful with the yen then. Yesterday New York session was interesting because I wanted to catch longs, didn't give me longs. Wanted to catch shorts, didn't give me shorts. Like when I say didn't give me, I mean my bias was right, but didn't give me an entry. Because of course my bias is right like 95% of the time. And because I'm flexible in it, I can switch from buys to longs to buys, etc. So it's easy for me to kind of be on the right side of the market and not be wrong in that sense on the bias. So we are literally up today on the
Well, hello everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind.
Whoa, my account's been reset. What's going on here? Whoa. What's going on here? What the hell is going on here?
67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Why is my 100k account been reset? Why is... I was in profit on that account and it's been reset. Why is that? That's so weird, man. I swear these prop firms are so bloody annoying, yeah? It was literally up and then... Let me ask Fundi.
Hi, my name is Fundi. How can I help you today?
Hi Fundi, my account was in a minor profit on my 100k funded Stellar 2-step, and now it's suddenly been reset to 100,000 with no minimum trading days, as if it's a fresh account. Why has that happened?
Understood. If your Stellar 2-step funded next account was restored to the original starting balance like a fresh account, it means a reset occurred. For Stellar 2-step challenge phase 2 resets, produce a brand new phase 1 account and you receive new login credentials by email. Funded next accounts themselves cannot be reset. If this wasn't initiated by you, it may be from a rule breach, an automatic system action, or a support side reset. Please share one combined set of details so I can advise precisely which model, Stellar 1-step, Stellar 2-step, Stellar Lite, Stellar Instant, which phase, Challenge Phase 1, Phase 2, Funded Next Account, your registered email, and which trading platform you use, MT4, MT5, C-Trader, Match Trader. I'll then tell you the next step to recover or escalate.
So it's a Stellar 2-step funded account on MetaTrader 5. And it was up like $50 or something like that. And I haven't traded it in I think 7 days or something. And now it's suddenly reset to 100k.
Understood. Since this is a Stellar 2-step funded next account on MT5 and your balance reset to the starting balance, 2 key points from our rules apply. Funded next accounts cannot be reset manually, but if a Phase 2 challenge or a Phase 2 reset occurs, the system issues a brand new Phase 1 account with new credentials. For funded next accounts, a balance returning to the original starting amount usually indicates an administrative correction, a breach that triggered system action, or a support side reset. Next step, please contact support with your registered email, account number, and a brief timeline. Last profitable balance, last trade time, and when you noticed the reset, so they can investigate and restore any missing funds or explain the action. Open support or email support@fundednext.com and include your MT5 account number and any journal screenshots. Support will review and respond. Anything else I can help with today?
Yeah, why would they do a support side reset for? And I haven't broken any rules. I haven't over-risked, over-leveraged, or anything like that. So what would be the purpose for doing a reset on the account? It was only in profit by $40, which is very minor. Could that be the reason why?
Understood. Support side resets happen rarely and usually for one of three reasons: an administrative correction, for example, fixing an account mapping or technical error, a rule breach detected by the system, including unusual account activity or automated risk triggers, or because a Phase 2 challenge reset was processed, which creates a new Phase 1 account. A small profit alone would not normally trigger a reset. Since you say no rules were broken, the most likely causes are an internal correction or a platform ledger reconciliation. Next step, contact support with your registered email, MT5 account number, approximate timestamps, and a journal screenshot showing the balance before and after the reset so they can investigate and restore if needed. Anything else I can help with today?
How can I do a screenshot of before the reset, because the account's already been reset? So how can I do a pre-reset?
Understood. If the account is already reset, you can't grab a true pre-reset screenshot, but you can gather other evidence that helps support investigate. Note the exact times you last saw the pre-reset balance and when you discovered the reset. Export or attach MT5 account history and the terminal journal covering the period. Open MT5, account history tab, right-click, save as report. Provide any trade order IDs you remember and include screenshots of your current MT5 trades, history, and journal pages showing the reset. Also send your registered email and MT5 account number. Send all items to support@fundednext.com or use live chat. Support will use server logs to retrieve pre-reset records and investigate. Anything else I can help with today?
No, thank you. Bye. Bro, that's so weird, man. I'm wondering, do I still trade or not? Should I trade or not? Like, trying to make you trade every day, bro. I swear it, man. I made like, the only thing I was thinking is I made like a brief like $40 on the account, and I don't think you can request a $40 payout. So if they reset it because of that, that makes sense. I accept that. I'm okay with that. But other than that, it's weird because I haven't broken any rules, because I always have an SL, I always have all that stuff. My risk is always okay. I don't use excessively big lots. So yeah, because I make sure I follow every single rule in it. I'm gonna have to wait for this zone to fail now because this is dropping down more. But oh well, welcome to trading, man. If it isn't one problem, it's another. Stupid prop firms, man. Literally need to get these payouts and stick it in my own personal account and call it a day, I swear. Oh, perfect. We got an invalid zone on the top here as well, actually. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I want to get in long before we tag that invalid zone. What do you mean, don't you go live? What do you mean? DXY is having a massive fall off, man. Literally, look at that. We were at 99.5 and now we've dropped almost down to 98 dead. That is interesting. Very, very interesting. I think price might want to come down on GC, take these lows and then push up possibly. It's possible it might want to do that. Let's go on the M2 now then and just give ourselves a bit more room to see that, because now we're gonna have to wait for this zone to fail. And what waiting for on here? Kind of waiting for price to break structure and then give an entry in it. So if we're gonna go long, so that's if we go long. And then obviously we're gonna need some type of order block as well. And then same goes on there. Right, anyway guys, how you doing? How is everything? Aside from that absolute mess on the funded next account, which is 100k, so I'm a bit like, why did they reset the account? I'm trying to think of what rules I broke or something. There was not a single rule. They just withdrew the $40. They withdrew the $40. So there's all my trades. And they withdrew $40. Bringing it back to 100k. Yo, where's my $40? I want my $40, bro. Where's my $40? I want my $40, bro. Where's payouts? Oh. Requested amount. I've not requested any payout. Whoa. Withdrawable profit. This is... They have a glitch on their account, bro. Not requested yet. View? Okay, so they've glitched on the website because they're saying that somehow I've tried to request 505.08 and 32.30. They're saying that I've tried to make a payout. What? The total amount of payout funds currently available to use 537, which is exactly what? Wait a second, what's going on here? I think the account's done a payout request by itself. What? Wait a second, what the hell is going on here? This is hilarious, I can't lie. Okay, transactions, yeah. So the account fee was 505. Status approved. Yeah, so payout history. Yo, this is weird. What's going on here? Not eligible. You need to have 5% growth in your account. Growth. 5% growth. Actually, no. I've done growth of 1% in it. Yeah. So what's this then? So I want to view that. Initial stage indicated the user has submitted a payout request. Whoa. Wait. This is confusing to me. I haven't requested any amount in payouts. This is interesting. I mean, I would have requested the $40 if I was going to get the 500 back as well. Because then I would have just used that money to get another 100k account. You know what I mean? Oh, they're stealing. I don't know. It's... this is confusing, bro. Don't worry, obviously. I'm not going to let them get away with whatever they're trying to do. But this was good to have a YouTube in it so you can show everything. I'm gonna show it on YouTube so then no one can say I'm lying about it. Wait, does it show my account details? Because I don't want to show my account details. 100k account. Okay. How do you hide? Okay, you know what? I want to hide something in it. So how do I hide? I don't know how to hide that. I'll just do this instead. Okay, so if you go to TradingView here on Copier, where's Google? Give me Google, man. The Google tab. TradingView. Okay, no, it didn't do it there. What about now? Chrome. Okay, look here, yeah. So 100k account has been reset. Before it was 100,040 because I took a trade, right? Because if you look at accounts, oh damn it, it's gonna have to go to the dashboard, innit? I don't want to go to dashboard. So you click payouts, yeah? It says not requested yet, not requested yet. So obviously you get 5% and this, so you get 5%. I think so if you made 5% on your account, they give you 750 as a bonus from phase 1. If you make another 5%, they give you another 1,200 as a bonus, yeah? And then that's what my profit split must have been. And this is what the refund is. But these two were not here. These two were not here before. These two were not here like yesterday or the day before. Or the last time I checked. And now it's saying I can withdraw that. If I kind of want 200%. But I didn't realize that was possible. So I'm just a bit like, oh, I can request it. Do I just request it and get that payout? Oh, I'm really tempted, you know. I'm really tempted. By clicking that, I can ask for these two. And then that would be like £400 in my piggy bank. And then I can get another 100k account. Linked out the trade copier. Oh, this is becoming interesting now, actually. Okay. I think I've got it now. I think I figured it out. But why did they reset the account though? Shouldn't that still have the balance on the account? Because they've reset it. I think well, you guys have just seen it all now anyway. I think I've understood what's happened. I think. I might be completely wrong, but I think. I'm going to ask them when they reply in the chat, can I request that payout? If they say yeah, I'm going to say fine. I'm going to say, can I keep trading the 100k account whilst I've requested that payout and I received that payout? Or does any profits on the account being reset now affect that payout? If they say it affects it, I'm just going to get that payout there just to get that 500 and get that $20-30. So then the account's basically refunded for free. So I've got the challenge cost refunded back to me. And then I'll probably buy another 100k account exactly the same. Because I think the max capital on funded next to the trade copier was 200k. Was it 300k? 200k with funded next. Right, okay. So I could potentially buy another 100k with that money straight away. Which would make sense. That makes a lot of sense. I could put that money straight into another 100k account. Okay, guys, we know what we're doing now. No worries. We're okay. We're okay. Oh, panic over. I thought these things would happen at your request and not like pre your request. You know what I mean? Like, yo. I'm gonna go on M30 and then just zoom in a bit more. Silver's doing a good move. Bro, I proper panic, you know, when something goes wrong. Like, I don't, my psychology is okay with trading, yeah, but yo, you mess with my accounts, yeah, we're gonna have problems, you know. We're gonna have big problems if you're messing with my accounts. Oh dear. I just need to keep an eye on the web chat in it because I want to. I can ask in the Discord actually. Let me ask in the Discord. That might be a good shout also. Okay, so we had high, low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, higher, high, lower, low, lower, high, higher, low, higher, high. I don't think that's going to be the zone to trade from. I really don't. I think it's better to wait. That zone's not going to be the one to trade from. Where's the chat section? There. Okay. Hey guys, question. I was up on my funded account by a small profit and it's suddenly reset to the original, a new account, so its original value. Now it shows my profit I can claim in the payout section and my refund for the challenge. Is that normal? I thought I would have to request, then the account would reset. Right, I dropped it in the chat anyway on Discord, so let's just see how Discord answers that. Okay, so we've come back into that zone, pushing up from there. EUG are still kind of melting to the downside, which I don't mind because we've got this zone right here, yeah? So odds are that we're gonna come take this zone out, so 230 possibly. We're going to take that zone out and then we can target this invalid zone right here. And then obviously we've got the rest of the price action above it, which I like the look of, to be fair. Like that looks like a clean zone. So yeah, so from here to here, M5. And then obviously we've got all of this here. Oh, so all of this here as well. So I actually really like the look of this. Like, yo, look at that. That is a clean zone, you know. I suppose you could kind of drag it over there, innit? Yeah, like that. So I like the look of this on GJ. As long as you get the entry model and stuff like that, we're good to go. If we don't, then obviously we're sat waiting. That's okay. Patience is a virtue, as they say. So let's keep waiting for that. If we do get confirmation, I'm gonna happy to get in longs on GJ, and if I'm gonna get in longs on GJ, I would need to be getting in shorts on EUGU. But you know what? I'm just gonna take a stab at it because there has been a divergence between all of them. Hey guys, question. I was up on my funded account by small profit and it suddenly reset to a new account, so its original value, and it shows my profit I can claim in the payout section and my refund for the challenge. Is that normal? I thought I would have to request, then the account would reset. Yeah, that's a fairly... I think I wrote it in a clear way. I'm not joking. If I can request it, bro, I'm all for that. Like Lidge. Let me just check the payout cycle stuff because I've seen. Oh, the payout cycle after 21 days. Raw 7, 14, 21. Okay, CHF has done that level in. Beautiful. Now we've got a slightly newer invalid zone. Which you can bring over to 9 o'clock now, I suppose. Why not? Now from here, there's no other zone on GBP CHF, so I can't really catch anything else on this. It's gonna have to give me something around here, man. Because I think this is a weekly low or something. Oh god, look at that 4-hour chart. Yeah, weekly low. So realistically, on GBP CHF, we need a move to occur here because we haven't had a move below this, you know, in like a year or so. I don't even know if there is another move below there. gbpjpy, thank you very much. Okay, no, we do have a zone right here. This is all the way back in 2022. Still valid though. It can still work. So let's bring that little guy over. Okay, now GJ did a nice push to the downside in London Open. Oh, London Open. Oh, wow. Yes, what's happening in London Open? Nothing's really clear as of yet on EU and GU. I think we might come out and take this low and then possibly push up. There's a possibility of that. I think that's what it is, the payout cycle, because now it's showing 16 to 31, which is 2 weeks, yeah? And then payout eligible date will be November 1st. So after 1-2 November 1st, Saturdays when I can request it, because it's 14 days. Ah, yeah, because this is my first cycle. And now I can request. Ah, that makes sense actually, bro. 7, 14, 21. And then that means I could request today. Wait, I think I've understood it. Oh, it resets the account, innit? I want to look at the before one. Transactions, payouts, offers, refer and earn. How do you look at accounts? Dashboard. But then they've reset it, innit? They've reset it. So how do you look at previous trades and stuff? I don't think you can. I don't think it's possible. Trading overview. Yeah, it doesn't have it. They've reset the account, and so I can't even find anything. So I can request it now. I think that's what it is. Go back to the Discord.
you're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financial.
Sorry about that, guys. I was in such a panic over that, trying to figure out what the hell's happening.
67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
I'm gonna have to bring this bad boy all the way down to here. But I don't see price going all the way down here. I mean, that's a move right there, man. That's a solid move. I don't really see that happening. GJ's looking good. GJ's looking good. So is my lots and everything remembered on this account, or has it forgot
Telling
all of
banks
the?
shares fall after government plans to get 11 billion euros in 3 years.
It remembers everything like that. What about lot size then? Yeah, it remembers lot size and stuff. That's just the same account. It is the same account. Direct withdrawal ACS. Raw. Okay. Okay, this is interesting. So they reset the account on the 100k. Right. I'm learning, man. I'm learning. I think that was okay, Halil, because I don't think there's any important details there. So I don't think there was a problem with me showing it, right? From when I shown. Hello, fellas. Yo, Francis. We had a mini heart attack today. Mini heart attack. Also, I bought gold, made a tiny profit, and then I fell asleep, so I missed this buy here. I bought gold at 2 in the morning, and I was like, I need to go sleep. I can't do this. Okay, so that zone's failed. So now we can trade after taking an invalid zone out. You can trade up. This is one of the very few circumstances where you can do that. You're trading up from an invalid zone, because price wanted to collect that level first before pushing to the upper side. I'll explain that later on. So let's keep an eye on the Discord and stuff. Yeah, it seems that today is the end of your cycle. At the end of a trading cycle, all running trades are automatically closed. So is that why the challenge phase refund is showing in the payout section and the small profit are made? Can I request that and continue to trade, or do I need to wait for the payout then trade? What is with it with me and the word trade? I can never spell trade. Continue to, can I request the challenge trade? Haha, lol, gold really doing disturb things. 10 ticks movement with now doing a 30-50. Yeah, not interested. Bro, forget that. Literally check gold out here, bro. This is a madness, yeah? So Asia low went up and did 1,000 pips, yeah? Then it dropped 1,000 pips. And then it's gone up 1,000 pips. Bro, how is gold doing 3k worth of moves like it's nothing? Yo, like, what the hell's happened here? What the hell? Yo, pounds through the toilet. This is perfect, actually. Gives me a better opportunity to get in longs. Pounders through the toilet into this. This is a demand zone, isn't it? Yeah, it's a demand zone. What are we saying on this? Oh, it's the key area. Oh yes, yes. I forgot. Now I remember, yaar. But before I forgot. But now I remember, yaar. Okay, so this is completely valid. Looking beautiful, if anything. And the computer's just having a brain fart. Thank you so much. 200% 30-minute ATR. Yeah, not interested. Yeah, I'm still gonna trade it if it gives me an opportunity. I'm not scared of the volume. So yeah, that's not gonna be M5 of it. Yeah, it's not perfect. And Bitcoin falling to hold up this dark gold bullish market. Yeah, exactly. Bitcoin's going through the floor, and gold's going through is going to visit God in heaven. God's like, hello, I am coming to see you in the heaven. I will go to this highest floor in the heaven, and I will say to you, hey, why you don't buy me? Sorry, I don't know what I was doing there. It's being stupid. So yeah, I got a lot of errands to do today. I'm gonna head out early. Yeah, that's fine, bro, no problem. Or just come by whenever you want or whatever, like no issues, bro. You know me, I'll be here regardless. If I catch a trade or if I don't catch a trade, I am here. Okay, CHF is up after that big move down. Like up. You know what, I'm gonna just let's look at news, then find out what happened with the pound, because it did have a strong move to the downside, didn't it? And that was at what time? It was 8:08. So 8:08. Italian banks shares fall after the government plans to get 11 billion in 3 years. Don't know why that would damage the pound so much. That doesn't make sense to me, but okay. Let's go on M5. We've kind of took out this low here, I suppose. Like, we have taken out this little low. This little low of mine, I'm gonna make it shine. This little low of mine, oh, I'm gonna make it shine. Anyway, but yeah, see how price accelerated through this level? See that? It just dropped. Oh, damn it. The price just dropped here through this level. Consolidated, but then just slowly kept going through there and then did a drop again. That's why I like trading channels. Channels are really good, man. They're really good to trade. If you know how to see a clean channel and when a zone's going to fail on a channel and stuff like that, then they're really good. Really good. Yeah. Okay, so what about on GU? Has GU come out and taken any relevant level or not? Basically, Francis, I might be able to get a payout on the 100k account. I'm not realizing I'm being able to do so. If you're still here, if you're gone, then that's fine, no problem. Thank you for coming, thank you for going. So fast to drop that there. That's a very similar level on EU. Got an email, nothing important. Lick right there. So that's valid. And then even now on M5, obviously we could target this high ultimately. Why am I his friend on Facebook? I didn't think I was his friend on Facebook. And then I would drag that down, and then I would go here, and then bring that there. And obviously now I've got two, it's okay, doesn't really matter. I've got two of them. Two. Oh, 1 minute. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We're looking for a lower high to make a higher low, then a potential higher high. But once again, we sat so close to that level right there. I don't like the look of it. That we sat so close to that level. Oh, big volume today, man. Big volume. Okay, G's touched that zone, that's fine. Can't trade from there. Gold's doing really well at the moment, man. It's been absolutely ripping. If it drops down, I'm really willing to get into a long here. And once again, just try and catch another 0.5. Unless I get an M1 trade, then I'll take an M1 trade. So yeah, that's lower, higher. So higher low, higher high. Higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high.
To IFX, Putin notified Security Council of talk with Trump.
I had a bit of a channel going on there as well, to be fair. If you look at this here, is technically a channel right there and right there. But then we expanded outwards, took this low here, and now we're getting bullish price action. So I do like the look of that, just not in that M5 zone. I need to wait for a clean break and then I can hop into longs. GJ, GC, there's still a bit. How big of a candle was that? Was like a 20 pip candle or something, man. Oh wow, 24 pips. Wow, holy moly. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Lower high, higher low. If it breaks that high, I might be able to get in a short position, but this SL is going to be huge. Oh god, yeah. Oh, that's a big SL because the volume's high right now, isn't it? I don't want to take that, in all honesty. I don't like the look of that. I'm more keen at looking at GJ longs because we've tagged into this demand zone. Obviously, we might drop down further into a deeper level in that zone. And this is that key area on the daily chart. Because obviously we had this level here that we struggled to break for so long. And then we broke it with serious momentum. And obviously we've been corrective on the way back. So I don't mind hopping into long and going back up to the highs again. I think that's a likely thing. Possible, yeah, it looks okay. Yeah, I'll take that. I will. If it gives me an opportunity, I'm gonna take it on GJ because I do like the way it looks. And we're probably getting that bit of yen strength from whatever the governor of Japan was saying. What was his name again? Uchida-san. Let's look at his underlying inflation likely to stagnate for some period before re-accelerating gradually. No perception to discern if outlook will be realized. Uncertainty surrounding overseas economic developments remain high. Yeah, we all know about that. Will judge without any preconceptions whether the economy price or moving in line with our forecast. So yen is relatively strong today. The USD is one of the weaker pairs, euro and pound and CHF. Yeah, all the safe haven currencies really. CHF, yen, euro, safe haven currencies. they're all strong, and then obviously AUD, USD, CAD, they're weak. Makes sense. Makes sense. So I'm gonna keep waiting then, because there was no entry on here. We broke structure here, but there's no entry for shorts there. Thus I thought let's look for longs in case then, because you've had a huge drop down. Yeah. I think there is gonna be a zone within here, like a zone within this. Oh yeah, there you go, that zone right there. So price might come take this out and then move up. Or it might fully take out this demand zone as well. If it fully takes out this demand zone, I would laugh quite hard actually. I'd laugh relatively hard. That'd be hilarious. Pound is DXY is gaining some strength here. Apparently I can trade the account, but I'm not trusting Discord, because it's not even the mods, it's like random people in the Discord. So I'm just waiting for a confirmation from one of the people. One of the mods or something like that, or okay, gold's pushing down. I like that. Gold is pushing down. And then if I do catch a trade today and I'm allowed to trade, I'll just take that one trade, request the payout. Done. Beautiful. I can just use this level now instead. Oh, we've took Asia low. You can just take Asia low then.
Japan's Ishin co-leader Fujita saying there was a progress in talks with LDP.
Let's go to Euro M5. I would have loved if it took that zone. I would have loved if it come down and took that zone, but instead it tagged into a demand zone in Asia midline. So that's a demand zone, yeah. So I don't mind trading from. Oh, did it take that zone?
He's saying we'll enter the stage of finalizing details.
Oh God. There's a lot of volume in the market today, man. A lot of volume. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brother. We got like 3-4 equal lows right there. I like the look of that. I do like the look of that. Alhamdulillah, I start my position in profit for that gold drop. Oh my god, yeah. I took a gold trade at 2:15 in the morning. It's basically the wick on the 30-minute candle right there. I made money there and then I fell asleep, but I wanted to buy from here. But I fell asleep in it. You know what? I cannot swing trade, bro. If I'm awake, I need to be looking at the trade. I cannot set a trade and just sit and go sleep. I can't do it, bro. I can't do it. I can't swing trade. Yeah, literally, I can't swing trade, bro. Everyone's like, oh, it's easy. Nah, it's not. I can't swing trade. I can't do it. Same wallah, I can't. Yeah, like I have to be awake looking at the trade, bro. I can't just be like, yeah, I'm gonna go sleep and then you're in drawdown by like flipping so close to your SN and just in bed like. Nah, bro. Nah. Imagine waking up, yeah. I get candle dreams. That's what I'm talking about, bro. I get dreams, yeah. Wake up, yeah, and then you see the account draw down here. Like, you know what I mean? I can't. Nah, bro. Can't be doing with that. Gamer, are you still here? I wanted to talk to you about something. I don't know if you're still here. It was to do with psychology and the advice that you wished for. The question was going to be, how has your journey gone? I'm gonna wait. Says, oh, is this Kurdish you're talking? Oh, he's talking Kurdish, guys. I'm gonna wait. Says, no, that doesn't sound like Kurdish to me, bro. I'm gonna wait for New York session. Yeah. I know. I'm just messing around, bro. I'm just messing with you, bro. Don't worry. Inshallah, I'm gonna get a payout. Inshallah, I can request it. I think from the research I've done. Masha Barakallah. Yeah, Parazo Shawania.
Japan's issuing
That's Kurdish. Parazo Shawania. Isn't it similar to like Farsi and Turkish, yeah? Because I know you have a link with Turkey and stuff, and Turkey has a link to Farsi, but I know like Turkish and Farsi are a little bit different, but that sounds like it's got a bit of like Farsi mixed in, I think. Yeah, we are mixed. Midunam. Man kheli bohusham. Bale. I said something funny in the chat, innit? Kurds are originally Europe's. Did you know that? Yeah, because you've always been in that part of the land, haven't you? So I suppose it makes sense, yeah. Eating baklava and watching gold. Baklava. I don't like it. I went to that Kurdish restaurant, innit? Yeah, the shawarma is really good. But the baklava, I don't like it, bro. Yes, I'm gonna have shawarma today, actually, you know. There's a brother, his name's Hussein, innit? He's really good. Yo, I nearly had 4 hours, 2.5 pips here, so I closed, got scared nowadays when I trade. Bro, why are you being a woman for, man? Where is your balls? Where is your balls? Where is your balls, Khalil? Where is they? Allah gave them to you, where are they? Today I'm the scared one, but I hate meat shawarma. I like chicken shawarma, not the lamb shawarma. It's nice, but I don't eat red meat in it so much, you know. There's a guy in the Discord who's funded, yeah, and he goes, congratulations on your first payout potentially. Then he goes, oh, make sure you follow risk management and stuff like that. And you know, watch over your account and don't be overconfident and be greedy. I said, brother, don't worry, I'm psychology king here. He goes, many have said that before you and said that after you. I said, okay, no worry, thank you very much for your time, I appreciate it, thank you. I don't want to get into an issue, bro, and I don't want people to give me evil eye, because low key, yeah, they're gonna be jealous of my psychology, and we all know this. Hey, we're talking food. Number 1 rule of shawarma is don't use ketchup. I like using chili sauce or sweet chili, or like I like using grilled or fried onions and stuff like that in shawarma is really good, really good. And if you get toasted bread, so toast, and then you chuck it in there, you get a bit of crunch in the shawarma. Mwah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Allahu Akbar. It's funny because just because these guys have psychology issues, they think you can't be the perfect trader. Brother, I am here. Hello, I am here. Hello. Tortilla, man. Actually, I like having it in bread as a sandwich, because the naan that they do is actually not that good. So I just get the shawarma in a tray, like in a box, in a tray, whatever, and I just take it home and I eat it with bread, like like a sandwich. Yeah, I don't mind that. It's nice. It's still tasty. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Oh, so I could buy a 100k account and merge them to a 200k account on Funded Next. Is there any cost for merging? I would do that. I'd merge the 2 accounts. Merge. MER, merge. merging, yeah, merging, yeah. Have you eaten Turkish doner? Oh my god, Turkish. I feel like I have. I feel like I have ate Turkish doner before. Yes, I feel like I have. So basically price has been a bit crappy right now. Gold looks so good, man. So literally I bought gold, yeah, on M5. I bought it on this drop here. So I caught like 100 and something pip move. And then it tagged me out at rolled stop loss. And then it kept dropping and I was falling asleep, man. And as I said, like, because I wanted to take it from I wanted to take gold longs from this level here. And obviously, like, I just took it there and I had a massive SL. And then after that I was like, okay, cool, I want to take it from here then, from here and here, more of a tighter level from here and here. And then I fell asleep and I was like, yo, I can't stay awake, man. That's why today, honestly, I feel really tired, bro. Really tired. Really, I can't sleep, trade halfway through the night. It's impossible, man. I can't do it. I'm gonna ask Lee how he does it because I can't. Nah, bro. Nah. In order to merge accounts, you need both accounts to be funded. Should be the same model. Should have the same add-ons. For more information, read here. Okay. Is there a cost? Is there any cost for merging? What did you say in Discord? Yo, Bashi, lend me $1, man. You could just gotta pay out. Oh my god, you funny. Are you Bashi, yeah? Are you Bashi? Are you Bashi? Okay, so obviously, as I said, I do want gbpjpy longs. I just need price to, okay, so lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, possibly a higher low. So I want price to basically come break up, take this level out. As Bashan Tochani. Hey, Mamnoon doste man. Delam barat tang shode bud. Delam barat tang khayli shode bud. Delam barat tang khayli shode bud. Yeah, delam barat tang khayli shode bud. You know, Persians are 10-10, you know, like, oof. But there's so much haram. My Arabic isn't so good because I haven't practiced it, but my Farsi's I haven't practiced Farsi much. Japanese is going down slowly. At the moment, my Swahili is going up. Yeah, because of the Kenyans in the chat. Kurds, Farsi hate each other a lot. Yeah. But to be honest, everyone hates Kurds. I'm sorry, but a lot of people hate Kurds, man. There's too many problems. I don't know why, but I know so many people don't like Kurds. I don't know why. What happened, man? Yeah, so true. I'm Kurd and I hate being Kurd. Yeah. You know, the problem is with the Kurds I know, yeah, they're a bit... I'm not going to say anything, never mind. I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to stay halal, inshallah. Otherwise, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give me the chapel, mate, the chapel. Let's see if I can get into a long from here on GJ. Oh, the volume is exceptionally high today. Exceptionally high. Can I catch a tighter SL? 7.6. Am I willing to take a 7.6? No, it's not even them. Like just Kurds in general in the UK, like they're a bit. The UK ones, they're a bit, you know. Hello, you know. 7.6, man. I'm just thinking. And then we got GBPCHF right here as well. What's happening with consolidation there? Ah, yes. So you're Iraqi Kurdish. So that's why so you know Arabic a bit then, yeah? Your Arabic should be good. So if you're Iraqi, are you Shia? Because Iraqi are like 60% Shia. Yeah, bro, I'm a Quran Hafiz. Wallah. Oh my god, that's so good. No, I'm Sunni, alhamdulillah. Bro, Iraqis have bare Shia, bro. I had bare debates with them. When I was learning Arabic, I had so many debates with them, bro. That's where I learned Majnoon. I was like, listen, you guys are Majnoon, you know. I have a question for you, Mr. Hafiz, yeah? Why is it that so many people study Quran and stuff like that, but they don't live by the Quran? Yes and no. At least they still believe in Tawheed, innit, yeah? So in that sense, they're better. And if you look at the Sunnis are weak, very weak, bro. Shia are the ones who go to war and do fighting. Sunnis are like, oh, just forgive them. We are cute, innocent people. Forgive them. Are you stupid? Bring your shub, bring your dampaye, slap the people. Only the Shia do that. So in this way, I like Shia, but everything else, they are so crazy, bro. Because I had debates with them and stuff like that, and they say some really bad things. Like, they say some really bad things, bro. What? They said you get a payout within 24 hours. If you don't get it within 24 hours, you get an extra $1,000. Bruh. Within 20... Bruh. I want to request this payout now. I want to request this payout now. I want it. And I can still trade the account. Okay, so... let's just ask Fundi, basically, innit? Let's go to a separate tab. I'm going to request a payout with you guys live on YouTube.
Hi, my name is Fundi. How can I help you today?
Hi Fundi, give me step-by-step explanation on how to request a payout.
It's been a pleasure assisting you. Have a fantastic day.
Huh? Yo, did you ask the question? It said peace out, bye. What the hell? People like to follow things that easy live up and easy to earn. Example like riba is easy, but it's a major sin. Yeah, to be honest, if we get into a topic of like Islam and stuff, I actually get really angry, bro. I don't like identifying as a Muslim sometimes because I'm so angered by the idea of like the stupid stuff. Yo, the steps, thank you very much, bye. What the hell? So GJ did give an entry, but it's literally 1, 2, 3 minutes really quick. And I was looking at Fundi, so I missed this trade. God damn it, screw you. And it was a bit of a big SL, man. That's a big SL. Like, I mean, obviously price is moving in it, yeah, so that's good, but would I double my TP then? I don't even know. I don't even know what I would do in that scenario on the M1. So, yeah. Okay, let's try again.
Hi, my name is Fundy. How can I help you today?
Can you give me step-by-step instructions on how to request a payout? I'm ready to request. Thank you.
Understood. To request a reward from your Funded Next CFD account, follow these steps. 1. Make sure your account meets the reward eligibility rules for your model and phase. For Stellar Instant, ensure growth and close trades rules. For other models, confirm model-specific timing. 2. Log in at fundednext.com and open your dashboard. 3. Go to rewards or withdrawals on the dashboard. 4. Select the reward request option and choose your preferred payment method. 5. Enter the reward amount you wish to withdraw. Must meet the model minimum growth rules. 6. Complete any required KYC verification if not already done. My profile, verification center, upload valid ID. 7. Confirm and submit the request. Processing time and any processing fee apply based on your chosen method. 8. Wait for the reward to be processed. Timing varies by model and method. If needed, contact support with your registered email and account number for status. If you tell me your account model, 1-step, 2-step, light, or instant, and whether you're in the challenge or Funded Next account, I'll give the exact timing and any minimum growth requirements. Anything else I can help with today?
I'm in a Stellar 2-step funded account. What are the available options for payout? I'm just ready to select it now.
Thanks, you're in Stellar 2-step on a Funded Next account. Available reward withdrawal options. Transfer your performance reward to your Funded Next wallet first, then request a reward withdrawal from the Reward tab. Supported withdrawal methods include USDT, USDC, RiseWorks, and other gateways shown in your dashboard. KYC must be completed and approved before any transfer or withdrawal. Requests are normally processed within 24 hours. Gateway transfer fees apply and are the trader's responsibility. Next step. Open your dashboard, Reward tab, transfer to wallet, reward request, choose your method, and confirm the OTP emailed to you. Anything else I can help with today?
Can you give me a breakdown on the fees or the requirements for each of the payout methods? For example, USDT, USDC, and Rise.
Sure. Here's a concise breakdown for USDT, USDC, and RiseWorks on Funded Next, USDT. TRC20 and ERC20. Minimum reward $20, maximum $3,000 for TRC20, ERC20 in non-OFAC countries. Processing fee up to 3.5% set by the payment provider. Network fees may apply and are deducted by the network. USDC, ERC20, minimum reward $20, maximum $3,000 in non-OFAC countries. Processing fee up to 3.5%. Network gas fees may apply for ERC20 transfers. RiseWorks, minimum reward $50. Processing fee up to 3.5%. Availability depends on your country. If RiseWorks is unavailable in your country, you may see different limits. If you'd like, open the Reward tab now to select the method, and I'll guide you through the OTP confirmation.
Can you repeat that, please?
Understood. USDT, TRC20, and ERC20. Minimum reward $20, maximum $3,000 in non-OFAC countries. Processing fee up to 3.5% set by the payment provider. Network fees may apply. USDC, ERC20. Minimum reward $20, maximum $3,000 in non-OFAC countries. Processing fee up to 3.5%. Network gas fees may apply. RiseWorks, minimum reward $50. Processing fee up to 3.5%. Availability and limits may vary by country. Open the Reward tab to select your method and confirm the OTP emailed to you. Anything else I can help with today?
No, thank you. Bro, I wasn't listening to that, man. It was saying too many things too fast, yeah, and I was just like, wait, what? So, there's a minimum $20 fee. I know about that, yeah? These are the options, USDT, which is ERC20, TRC20. I don't know what the hell that even means. Which one do I pick? Like, and what does it matter? And then you got USDC, which is ERC20. Like, I don't get what can someone help? I don't get that. Is it funny now? It makes sense why people say funded next is a scam. Yeah, funded next. No, it's fine. It's just I don't like. I'm gonna get the payout. It's fine. Everything's okay. I'm just confused. I'm a bit confused. Okay, wait.
Hi, my name is Fundi. How can I help you today?
If I'm in the UK and I'm ready to request a payout, which option do I choose? Do I choose USDT or USDC?
If you're in the United Kingdom and ready to request a reward, choose the stablecoin you prefer and that your wallet or exchange supports. Both USDT and USDC are accepted. TRC20 USDT is usually faster and cheaper, while ERC20 USDC is widely supported by exchanges. Pick the network your receiving wallet accepts. For full steps, open rewards on your dashboard or contact support if you need help linking a specific wallet. Anything else I can help with today?
No, that's fine. Thank you. I need to make a wallet. Who do I make a wallet with then, man? USDC wallet. Don't even know who do people use for I'm gonna have to find out who people use in it for the payout thing. This is interesting. Also, GC didn't tag the zone, GJ did, and is going slowly. But as I said, I just don't like how big the SL that was, man. That was a huge SL. Really huge SL. But obviously, if you do get all the way up to, God damn it, if you do go all the way up to here, on the failure of that zone, I don't know if we're going to do a 100 pip move. I really doubt we would do a 100 pip move. But yeah, I mean, that was, I mean, I'm just thinking, what could I have done? Because realistically, I would have wanted at least like 5 or 6.5 pips. So I would have been right with 6.5. And then covered the low there. Or something like that. Valid trade, but the volume was so big, I was a bit thrown off by the because of the volume in it. That's fine, no problem. Let's go back to the music now. Because literally break structure there, they had 1, 2, 3 minutes to take a trade, yeah? Normally 3 minutes is perfectly fine, enough time for me to take a trade. But the reason I struggled is because I had to figure out what am I going to do for the price, man? Because there's so big spread in it. It did tag the M1 zone though. Like, look at that. It did tag the M1 zone. But oof, that is really tight though if you're looking at that on M1. That'd have been a literal absolute snipe shot. Shotgun bang move right there. Shotgun bang. I would have done 5. I would have done like a 1 pip extra coverage on there. I would have done 150 cent and 1 pip extra coverage. And then 35 pips would have been better. Yeah, it's okay. No problem. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. I'm okay with that. One guy said, go learn on YouTube how to withdraw. I've got an idea. ChatGPT will have the answer. Oh, this channel I've got's really good. It was like 80 quid off eBay or something like that, and it's not bad to be fair. It's got massage features as well. Let me ask here. I'm with funded next, and I'm ready to request payout. What's best way to maximize to minimize fees? Binance, Coinbase, or Trust Wallet? Alright, ChatGPT's giving the answer, bro. I'm telling you, ChatGPT's giving the answer. ChatGPT, mate, is the boss of all things. So it looks like it. Wait, was it? Where was it? It was here. So yeah, it looks like you're gonna get tagged at break even anyway without getting partials. That's what it looks like it's gonna do right now on GJ. So let's just bring it over as if you were in the trade so you can see that EURUSD is trending up, which is interesting because you're getting a bullish move on EURUSD after taking this low. I did want to get into there, but it didn't give me clean zone as of yet, so I'm going to keep waiting until potentially the failure of this invalid zone, which we are really close to right now. So I'm just going to kind of wait for that, and then kind of take it from there. Trading is choppy price, you'll be chopped. Yeah. But it's about understanding in it. That's why for me, I like to be really patient and stuff like that. If I get a clean price action, I'll take it. If I don't, I won't. Simple as that, bro. So we're about to break this level right now, but then we got this level and this level. I don't like the look of that. In all honesty, I don't like the look of EURUSD. I don't mind GU, but I need GU to break this high. And then I'm willing to get into longs. Bro, trading is easy. I don't think it's hard at all. I think if you say trading's hard, you don't know what you're doing. Okay, yes, for pairs like USDT is mostly the best choice. Keeps the fastest now. For wallet, it depends on how you want to use your funds. Hold, trade, cash out. Here's a breakdown. Hold or trade or cash out. Okay. If your goal is to withdraw to your bank or trade easily, use one of these. Binance, top overall choice. Super low fee, supports USDT. P2P marketplace to sell USD to local currency. Great for payout conversions. Self-custody wallet. Recommendation. Balance fees to best balancing fees USDT. Use Binance. Use your Binance deposit address. Make sure it says network TR20. Once it arrives, use Binance P2P to convert your currency. Summary: coin, USD, network, Tron, wallet, Binance, backup, Trust Wallet. So I need to make a Binance account, innit? Okay. Oh, nice. You can buy cars in Dubai using that. Bitcoin gone down. Amal is gonna drop even more. Don't buy it. Yeah, he's right. Don't buy it. Wait, see the order got tagged right there. Break even. See, look at that. So I'm glad I didn't take that trade because I wouldn't have partials. Volume was exceptionally high. That was good. That's good patience right there, bro. That's really good patience. I am the bloody psychology goat. I am the bloody psychology goat. Ain't no one telling me what to do. Ain't no one telling me what to bloody do. Oh, yeah. That's just dumb, you know. Those guys aren't even traders. They're bloody gamblers, bro. They're bloody gamblers. Stupid people, man. Absolute stupid people. I have no sympathy for them, man. Yeah, the gamblers welcome to Jahannam. Exactly, bro. How can you like freaking put all your, if you're a trader, yeah, how can you put all your money into a crypto and something like that, and then you get slapped and then you like, come on, man. You're not taking it seriously at that point. That's not even taking the job seriously. You know what I mean? Binance is your best option to withdraw your funding expert to your bank with the lowest fees and few steps. My Binance, yeah, that's fine. How to do it? Oh, what? You can't... So Binance is banned in the UK? Here's an official link from Binance. However, Binance stopped accepting UK users as of a certain point due to regulatory restrictions. Their UK entity also says it will not permit to undertake. It's not permitted to undertake regular activities currently. Oh, okay, so you can't use Binance in the UK. Just sell a Lambo and start again, dog. Yeah, exactly, innit? But they probably don't because they don't have the money. They probably put all the money into trading and they lost it. Yeah, look at that, bro. Look at that. Told you, patience, patience, patience. Okay, gold is coming down. I might take a long on gold here. Or actually, I'm going to wait for this key area. I'm going to wait for this key area and take a long on gold here. I might just set the limit on there now, actually. Sabur, exactly. Yeah, Sabur is the best thing, bro. Sabur is the best thing. I'm just going to set a limit on this, on the gold. Let's go M15 on gold. Set a limit. So 2987 2987. What's 50%? 289. I like 289. I'm going to do 286. So I'm going to set a limit at 286. 286 bang on. I'm going to set a limit at 28 bang on there. And then we're going to do... So that's 60 pips there. So I'm going to probably do 120. I'll probably do 120 pip SL. And then 67. What are you saying? Okay, wait, yeah, 286 in it is what I'm talking about. And then the SL I'm gonna do, I'm thinking, yeah, probably like 150. Check the, yeah, I will in a second. 1 second, bro. Thinking like 150-ish. Probably like just 150 dead. Yeah, I'll do 150 dead. Which is 71. Beautiful. Now I'll just set the limit, the lot size on there. So if we do TP back into those highs, probably go 0.1. That's a big and still. I could hi Bashi, how you doing? Hope you're good today. Yeah, I'm good, bro, thank you. I'm gonna see what the SL is below this low here. So I'm gonna do 250. So 250 is what I'll do. Well, this Goma, whatever panic comes into instant recovery. Actually, any entry available on Euro? Euro USD looks sketchy, bro. Euro USD looks sketchy right now. So I'll do 61. So 261 dead. And then there. So that's my limit set. TP is 43.75 or T 375. That's a 3.5 hour move. Unless I do this. Yeah, so it's a 2.7 R. It's a bit choppy, man. It's took that level out, but it's not took this level out. So I want that zone to fail to take along, because it could potentially drop from here. Yeah, that's buy limit set on gold. I'm gonna leave the limit on that level. I think I'm ready. I'm happy to take it from there. It might be a slow trade. It might be a very slow trade. No, Funded Next is okay. I like them. Funded Next is good. Okay, let me go to the Discord because I had it closed. 1 second. And I need to go Telegram as well because someone messaged me. Pound USD kept falling. Pound USD kept falling. Get rid of that. So let's have a look here. Okay, you know what? The beep is quite loud on Discord. I'm gonna turn the volume down on Discord. It's a bit loud, isn't it? I'm gonna do like 50% volume. There. That's better. Okay, so what you lot saying? How Funded Next denied the payout? No. These levels are good to buy from. What time frame is that? What time frame is that level? One minute on gold. Ah, I see. Yeah, that for me is a no-go. That for me is a no-go because you got a resistance level up top, yeah, which is just a massive pool of liquidity from my perspective. So I think it's gonna come down, take that level out, and then go. In respect to 25% most of the time, so it should be between 25 to 50. Yeah, true. Gold rarely takes Asia low, but obviously if Asia low lines up with key areas, then it tends to tag it and then fly off from there. But if you take it, it's your choice. Just be careful. That's why I've got this key level here. I'm waiting for price to come down here. Ideally the 50% or this level right here and fly off from there. That way I know I'm going to catch a much better R because I can get 2.64 my 0.5%, or I can just aim for the highs because I know it's going to take the highs out in it. It's going to do it 100%. Oh yes, Marco. What's going on? Hey Marco, welcome. I wasn't expecting you to turn up, man. That's a bit of a surprise. Do you use indicators on your analysis? No, just price action, to be fair. I'm done for the day. Alhamdulillah, today was great. Good, yes. I'm happy you had a good day in the markets. Happy you had a good day in the markets. So that's why I'm waiting for gold anyway, but that's just aiming for 0.5%. That's not following M1. But that's because of that funded account. Obviously, you have to make 0.5% over 2 separate days. So that's just going to be on that. So I'm taking a really small position on there when it comes into this level. If it comes in with momentum, I'm going to keep rolling my entry further and further down. Let that momentum die out, then enter off at the back of there, and then let price start to push up to the upside. So Euro USD on M1. The reason I don't like it, yeah, is because basically if you go on M5, you've obviously got this invalid zone here that was taken out, but then you got this right here and this right here. So for me to get into clean longs, gotta go to Juma. Good luck trading. Yeah, thank you, bro. So for me to get in longs, I would need a clean break of this level here and then a potential retracement to a demand zone. And then we could trade into this invalid zone. And then if it lines up with the 12 to 15 pip partials, that's partials done. And then obviously if it lands with 25 to 30 pip TP, then that's done. So that's what I'm thinking. But at the same time, you've got a big divergence between EU and GU, because if you're looking at Euro GBP, I mean, look at M15 on Euro GBP. I mean, we are flying there, and then even on the 1 hour, we're flying, man. Like, big move up here. So I'm going to set an alert here, because I think price might reverse from here on Euro. Egg reversal, maybe. How you doing, Marco? How's everything going? So if you go back to EU, 100 people ready. Yeah, I know the volume's crazy right now. That's why I'm thinking of having a 250 pip SL to be safe. I could be more risky and just have like a 126 pip SL, but I only need to make 0.5% so I can get the payout. So I'm not really aiming for big order or anything like that. It's more the case of being consistent and stable. If I get missed on there, no problem. I'm up on the account anyway. I can just try again next week. It's not really the end of the world if we don't get a trade. So yeah, that's why I want that zone to fail. Do you know what a breakaway gap is? No, I don't. But odds are it's probably like a fair value gap or something like that, or a lot of these concepts are very similar. So the yen is still falling nice and slow. I did want longs on GJ, but nothing's happened as of yet. It's so important, bro. Oh, I don't know. I trade my own strategy. I'm not looking to learn anything else, bro. Like, I'm already doing well as it is. I don't really need to change anything and stuff like that. If it isn't broken, don't fix it. You know the thing. If it isn't broken, don't fix it, right? What are you looking for on GJ? Well, I wanted longs. It did give an entry, but the SL was like 7 pips because the volume was exceptionally high. So I didn't take it. So I'm still kind of confident on the idea of longs because I'm expecting us to hold above this daily level. So if we go on the daily chart, oh god damn it, 1 second. Okay, so if we go on the daily chart right here, I'm still expecting this to hold above this daily level. So I still think that the opportunities there for longs are still there. If you go on M15, We just took out that structural low in Asia, so I'm hoping that we'll get a move up from here. But it's not looking like it wants to give a move. Yeah, exactly, bro. If you got a strategy that works and you're getting like good returns, then why would you change it? Like, there's no need, is there, to change that? The only other thing I could think of on GJ is they might want to do a go deep into this key area. So here's another structural low in Asia. I'd like to see some type of reversal occurring around here, because the one from here just didn't really work or do anything. So I'm going to try and wait for something around here. See if I can get a price reversal around here. But we just have to wait and see, because we have just tagged into this 2-minute demand zone. So if we do break structure here and it creates a new demand zone for us to get in the long in, that's a valid entry. So I'm still willing to take that. I just prefer this one because it's more cleaner. But if this happens, I'm literally happy to get in on there. I'm really happy to get in on that. But obviously my preference would be that we come break this high, break these highs here, possibly break this high as well, and then I'd look for price to come back into a demand zone. So for example, if we get something like gotta go now, see you later. Yeah, that's fine, Yusuf, take it easy, bro. So if we get something like that, and then we got this demand zone and price is like balanced coming up here, then I'll be happy for price to come into this level, take a long, and then target into this invalid zone. And then I'd try and hold for Asia high, but I don't know if we're gonna get a move which is gonna be how many pips, 140. I don't know if we're gonna have the volume to do that, but I know we'll have at least the volume to tag into here, which is around 80 pips, 90 pips. You can definitely tag into that invalid zone. So I'll probably just trade into there. I'll probably just trade into that level, so I don't mind that. That's still valid. It still follows my data and stuff like that, so I'm not going to deviate from that. I'm going to stick to the plan. So that's kind of what I'm thinking on GJ, Yusuf, before you go. We're still falling on EU and GU, so I don't like the look of them on the lower time frame. They're not looking clean. Not looking clean at all. But if we come into this demand zone on M2, then break structure, once again, that's valid. Then obviously that's valid. Just being patient is kind of the main test today. Right, let me make an account on Binance so I can get this payout. So it was nice to see market pop into the stream. That was nice. Okay. I don't like GBPCHF. It's not looking so good. I did want to trade up to these invalid zones, but it's just consolidating after we've had this massive drop down here. We do have another low down here, which is interesting, or an important level. But that might happen in New York, so I might trade in New York today. So I'll move that over to 4 o'clock, which is New York session time. And then obviously we got these highs here also. Let's bring these over to New York session. I doubt we're gonna tag these levels, but I'm just gonna get ready for New York session now. So yeah, I mean, pretty much same thing with this. Need price to break this level as well. If we break that level, then I'm willing to get into a trade. 68, so I'll do 72 on there for the alert. I'll do the alert here for 266, 270. I'll do an alert there for 270. I'll go on M2, probably even M5 actually on this one. And then you can look at these highs here, bring them over to 4 o'clock. Because odds are we're not going to get a big, massive push up now. Gold still kind of dojiing on the 30-minute time frame, which is good because all that's showing me is there's more potential move for push down on gold. And as I said, if we do push down, tag into this key area, then it allows me to get into that trade with a 250 pip SL. It's only got a really small risk on there, 0.1. What percent is that? 0.2% risk, aiming for 0.5. So really small, just to make a quick 0.5 or nothing big. And then silver looks like a really good opportunity actually. I like the look at these lows right here. And then if we cover this low here, so 70 pip SL on silver, you can probably target 54.5. We'll probably target 55 to be fair. So that would be 2.1 R. But the reason I don't want to trade silver is because remember guys, we've had that crazy spike in London session where the spreads just become 100 pips. And that's why I'm kind of staying away from silver at the moment. I might look at silver in New York session. It might have a bit more stability there, but in London, oof, yeah, a bit sketchy, man. Definitely a bit sketchy. Guys, do me a favor, hit like, comment if you have any questions. If you want me to have a look at any pairs, type the pair in the chat and obviously what time frame, and I'll have a look. I'm shorting Bitcoin. As long as you've got a logical reason for shorting Bitcoin and you're thinking of it from a logical sense, not an emotional sense because price is falling, you just want to short it. There has to be a reason for you to take that trade, not just emotional based. Because if you're trading off of price, if you're chasing momentum, then you're chasing price. That's a failure of psychology for me. That's a psychological failure. You shouldn't be chasing price action and stuff like that. That's not your job. Your job isn't to chase price actions, to trade a strategy. Trading a strategy means you have set criteria. Price must come to you, meet your criteria for then allowing you to enter that trade, if that makes sense. So yeah, the plan is to get this payout then, and then I'll most likely use that to get another 100k account. Once I get funded, I'll merge it with the other 100k, so then it's 200k. That's kind of the idea that I'm thinking at the moment. You could have actually said on EU, build up, sweep, but we haven't broke structure. We've broke like internal structure, but not proper structure. I'm gonna keep waiting, man. Can't really find anything clean. Let's okay, so we had a structural low there. I don't like the look of that structural low. I like the look of New York low. I think New York low would be a nice level. I do like the look of New York low, I'll be honest. I really like the look of that. That was clean as hell. Let's go on M15. Drag some zones over to 4 o'clock for New York session. And then from here we've got obviously this low here, which is also interesting, which lines up with this kind of low there. What about EU? Okay, so I'm going to bring that over to New York session. Obviously we've took that high there. I'm going to bring that over to New York session 2. Yeah, done. I think that level is going to fail on EU, man. It looks like it's going to take that zone out, because if you go on M15, actually I'm not sure. I need to sit and wait, because when I'm not sure on price action like this, the best thing I can do is wait, man, because there's no rushes there. I just need to be certain in what I'm trading, not kind of like chase price action and stuff like that. You're better off just sitting and waiting and just following your trading plan rather than deviating and stuff like that, because deviating never helps in any point or any time. Never has deviating from your trading plan ever helped anyone. So I'm going to stick by this until obviously 10:15. If you don't get anything by 10:15, then it is what it is. And price is really slow right now. Because you had that big move in the Frankfurt/London Open. Now price is just becoming rather slow. What are you guys looking at anyway? Are you guys looking at anything interesting or not? Because I can't really see anything clean as of yet. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make my Binance account and request the payout after the live stream, because I need to do a bit of research on who's good, who's not good, what's good fees, what's low fees, all that stuff, because it seems like there's a bit of research you have to do, man. But Bitcoin is still slowly dropping, so yeah, that's not that bad, I suppose. Silver's doing really bad. There's a lot of profit taking on silver, I think. Yeah, this price action is rather choppy. I think it might be one of those where I'm gonna have to look at New York and then try and catch a trade in New York session, because it looks like shorts are the way to go. I mean, I get why they happened, because at this level here, price flew through there and then flew through there entirely, made sense. But I thought there might be a potential reversal to occur after it took out this midline area, but then it just tagged into the invalid zone, pushing it down further. So obviously it's just one of those things where it wouldn't really allow me to catch an entry, but it is what it is, man. This is trading, innit? Why is this guy trying to call me on thingy, bro? What are you doing, man? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. just gonna get rid of that on
Well,
G.
hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
This is looking tricky, man. I've got a feeling it's going to be a New York day where New York's going to give a trade because London's done such a big move that I might just consolidate now until New York and then might get something in New York session possibly. It's what I'm thinking anyway. And even if I look at M1 and I'm really trying to like find something clean, what I can see is that lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, break structure there. I feel suspicious of that. Something doesn't feel right about that. Falling on Euro GBP now that we've made that relatively equal high, so that's interesting.
At 5 AM Eastern Time, we do get Eurozone CPI final. Year on year, forecast 2.2% on the prior 2.2%. Month on month, forecast 0.1% on the prior 0.1%. Core CPI year on year final, forecast 2.3% on the prior 2.3%. Month on month, forecast 0.1% on the prior 0.1%.
That might be why we're getting this weird price action on Euro, because we've got that. Could be the case, not 100% sure, but possibility, yeah. It's a broke structure and in 1 minute tagged straight back into that zone. What the hell, man? You got a supply zone right there as well, and it looks like it could have tagged that zone, so I wouldn't take that. Just trying to be safe, wouldn't take that. Nope. Look at GBPCHF, man. Massive consolidation there. It's really not giving any movement to the up or the downside. GJ obviously had that huge drop down, had to push up. I wanted to get in longs, didn't really give a clean entry. It's tagged into this zone here now, which is the M2, maybe even an M1 zone. Nah, M2 zone, which is fine, but it's just really struggling to pull out some bullish momentum to take out these levels. It's really struggling for that. So I've got a feeling it's not going to give me what I want, which is fine. If it doesn't happen, no problem. I just have to keep sitting and waiting, unfortunately, but that's the game of trading. It's a waiting game, isn't it? Also, gold is kind of stuck in a bit of a range. I like that. That just gives me more confidence that gold is going to potentially come down, tag this level and fly up there. So I do like the look of that. Looks like Euro GBP is falling a bit as well, so Euro might take that low and level back out with Euro GBP. So yeah, I'm just wondering what could be done. We do obviously have a bit of a trend line going on all the way down here, and obviously it's actually looking like a really nice channel. If you just look at that, it looks like a really nice channel, and that's a bit curved, but obviously there, that's better. So if we did get a move up, we could potentially get into shorts, because it's looking like DXY may be strengthening today after you've had the sell-off from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today might kind of push back into that level. So this might be a fake out, to be fair, on the DXY, and push back into like 99 or 98.5. I think that might happen. There is a possibility of it happening. I can't say it's definitely not gonna happen, which is why I'm kind of mindful of it. Okay, it's about to take that zone out. There you go, boom, that zone's failed. So it did come up, it failed this one, but respect that one, and then drop further down, which is what I was exactly saying about waiting for the right move. That's why I was waiting. Entry was here for shorts, wouldn't have taken that. Yeah, price is rather compact today. It's quite a compact price action. What's silver doing? Oh, silver's pushing up a bit, so that's good. Silver's getting a bit of a move to the upside. That's not bad.
Plan issuance were due to saying party executive told CDP and GBPJpy that Ishin would find it difficult to vote for their leaders for Prime Minister.
Yo, Bashy in chat. Yo, CS. Yo. There's a very active chat earlier on and then it died off. I think everyone's run off now. Marco came as well, which was nice. Marco from Nick's stream, that was nice. He popped in and said hi. And then ran off. So yeah. I'm just trying to get a payout sorted. Basically, the 100k funded account.
1 minute. I'll be leading with Eurozone CPI year-on-year final.
I'm able to get a payout, so I was just trying to get that sorted out. So missed a couple trades, to be fair. Well, missed one trade, but it's on GJ Longs, but just kind of broke even anyway. Oh, hi Lee. Welcome CS. Welcome Lee. Yay. People are coming back. I was bored. Okay, so okay, CPI coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, not exactly, but like a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see what happens. Nothing's happening yet. It has, yeah. It has, yeah.
2.2%, 2.2% as expected. Month on month, 0.1%, 0.1% as expected. Core CPI year-on-year final, 2.4%, 2.4%, higher than forecast, 2.3%. Month on month, 0.1%, 0.1% as expected.
So as expected year on year, as expected month on month, as expected core month on month. So only Eurozone core CPI year on year went up by 1 point. That's not bad. That's actually not bad. It's going to strengthen the euro a bit, and we're going to literally see that in a second. It might just have a bit of a bounce up. Yeah, Forex is alright now, bro. The volume's coming in a bit slowly. I mean, it's not right now, but if we look at, let me just get rid of these inactive alerts. If we just look at, for example, the VIX, yeah, the volatility index, we're up 8.6%, so we're at 27. So if you look at VIX on the daily, we're coming back up to higher levels, which is good because we're coming back into a slightly more volatile market. So I do like that, hence why we're getting more moves and stuff. I do prefer that we sit around 25 to 35 or like 20 to 30 is a good level because you get okay volume in the market then. So yeah, I do like the look of that. Obviously the indices are down, which makes sense. Gold is doing really good, to be fair. I do have a... Go back over here. I do have a limit set on gold right here on the 50k funded account. I bought gold during yesterday at 42.08, TP set at 4300, which was hit during Asia session. Today I'm watching nothing. Yeah. I bought gold on, so I woke up halfway through the night, so I bought gold right here, caught like 120 pip move, made like and I rolled break even, so I got like $10-15 in break even. This was my next limit right here, which I got tagged everything, but obviously I didn't take it because I was asleep. And I honestly, one thing I've realized, I cannot swing trade. I can't do it. I can't swing trade. I can't be in a trade and be asleep. I can't. I need to be on the charts looking at that trade. I can't just sit there and be like, oh, I've got 400 pip SL, it's okay. Nah, bro, I can't do it. I can't do it. I literally can't. Impossible. So obviously, it's good because I did call it really good. I like the fact that we got loads of resistance right at 40, at 37, 80 basically. I like I've got a lot of resistance. I think this is a good chance for gold to drop down, tag this trade that I've got set up, yeah, and then come back into these highs again. So that's what I've got on the funded 50k account, just to make another 0.5% again. After I made that 0.5%, guess who's requesting a payout? Simple as that. It's not that. No, this isn't that. It's a different scenario because I mean you're risking 0.04 on gold with a 250 pip SL. It's just the fact that I react to live market conditions. You know what I'm saying? My trading is based on live market conditions. It's not based on letting it do what it does and that's it type thing. You see what I'm saying? So it doesn't work for me. Although I agree 100%, you know my psychology is absolutely amazing. But yeah, I'm one of those people, I can't swing trade. I have to be intraday. I could probably go up to like, I don't mind M30 because I'm sat on the charts looking at it and I'm awake at that time. London, New York session, I don't think I mind that on M30 using like a 200 pip SL whatever on gold right now. I used 5 lots on my gold trade. You absolute nitty. That is loads, bro. Wow. 5 lots. Wow. Bloody hell. I was 0.04 or 0.06 and I was like, yeah, this is uncomfortable, man, because I'm not looking at the charts. Yeah, that's good. How you getting on with payouts and stuff, man? I have a question. Are you getting paid out by USDC or USDT? And how do you do it? Because I'm gonna get my first payout, but I don't know who to go to, who's the best on fees and all that stuff, like who's the cheapest and fastest and stuff like that. So I need to sign up with the wallet, but I don't know who to go to. So if you get paid out and you've had payouts through that, can you give advice, please? Everyone says USDT is better. I still don't really understand much about it. ChatGPT saying use crypto or Kraken because Binance was the best, but Binance isn't used in UK anymore. Apparently they got banned. Straight into your bank. Okay, damn it. So yeah. I'm just trying to figure this out, innit? I think odds are we're not going to break structure. We're not going to end up getting into these trades. I've just got a feeling. Oh no. The market doesn't want me to trade. Not today.
To Nikai, Japan mega banks to issue stable coins for business use.
Okay, stable coins for business use, yeah. I hear that, lad. Lee, how much you've had in payouts? Came within a day of requesting it. That's brilliant, man. Well done. Good stuff, mate. Good stuff. Proud of you, kid. Proud of you, kid. It's just still stuck in that range, man. Yeah, no trade today for London session, which is fine. I'll just have to come back for New York and see what happens in New York, most likely. I'm going to keep an eye on this because I don't want the limit to get triggered before New York open. I have to be careful to make sure it doesn't trigger too early. Yeah, I just wanted to get this payout basically and then use that money to get another 100k account funded next, chuck it on a trade copier and then trade them together. So I don't have to use my phone. I could just trade it on the computer then is what I'm thinking. You get me, Kaz? Have me got, Kaz? Yo, anything on Euro yet? Not really, still consolidating, man. I mean, it did slowly come down and take out that London low and now it's pushing up, but it's not giving me any clear direction of like strong intention to go this direction, strong intention to go that direction. It's kind of like stuck in a choppy sort of price action. So I don't like the look of it because even look at M15, that's not. You got wicks there, wicks there, wicks there, wicks there. It's very disgusting price action on M15 Amal. Pound is looking better. I mean, pound does look a bit better, but obviously on the M1, it tagged obviously this supply zone right here, and then obviously went down in it because it broke this 5-minute zone here. So I was like, okay, that was good, but then obviously it come down and then moved up from there. So yeah, no news today. Yeah. I'm just going to look for New York session, see if there's any slightly cleaner price action in New York, maybe. I'm in no rush anyway. I'm going to get that payout, so no problem. I'm going to make a video of me requesting it. I'm going to have to figure out how to do that. How to make the video of me requesting it. And then blank out the details so I don't get in trouble. हाँ अम्मा पत्ते हो अंडर दारू कौन है मैं पैसे मंगी के ना थूं मैं मंगसा आज जिले पहले वार करने हो ना है जितने पैसे तुसा आंदा सी ना कॉन्टेस्ट है जब तुसा पैसे ब्रांड तुसा वो रिफंड वापस देने है मैं उसे कौन पर 50 पाउंड बनाया सी ने जो पहले बुन सी 1000 पाउंड बुन सी फिर थोड़ा ऊपर गया सी है फिर 40 पाउंड ऊपर सी ने मैं सोचता वेट कर सकता कोटेट कर सकता फिर obviously पैसे कितना है obviously फिर मैं तक क्या सी ओ 17 की तीन जिस तरह जे 1 पाउंड जे तुसा 20 पाउंड तक ऊपर बनाए ना है फिर तुसा पैसे की नहीं करता रिफंड वापस देने तो 500 रिफंड है ने $530 पैसा पाउंड आने बनी जाने 430 पाउंड फिर मैं एक और अकाउंट ट्रांसफर फिर उसने ला लेने जिरे अकाउंट अंदर जाना आंदा सी ना है तो रिफंड देसे मैं वो पैसे वापस आ से को आंसर फिर ने फिर एक और अंदर जा रही है जिमें पहले सोचना सा मैं 1-2 बना फिर पैसे किना है फिर मैं सोचना कैस फायदा वेट करने ना जे मैंने की पूछा सी बाने फिर उन्हें की पूछा सी था वो बाने सन तारीख कौन सा रीसेट कीते ही है उन फ्रेश 100,000 है तारे पैसे रे तू बना तू वो मंगी सकने हों तू उन्हें 100,000 अकाउंट एज ट्रेड करी सकने फिर इन्हीं बाने तू वेट करना पैने ये पैसे किनी था फिर करी के सता नहीं करने फिर मैं सोचा करो सा फिर उन्हें मेरे पापा की फुंका सा उसकी पूछा बिकॉज उसकी जेरे सिस्टम यूज करने ना है पैसे देने से पापा वो यूज करने तब मैं वो ना यूज कर फिर मैं उसकी फुंका सा उसकी पूछा कि ना सिस्टम चंगा है जे दुए सिस्टम 1-2% फी मंगने उसकी पूछा कि ना तेज देने तब फी कट मंगने ये नहीं तब फिर वो करी तब फिर मैं दुआ अकाउंट आंसर फिर Yo, it was kind of like Punjabi and Hindi mixed in it. Okay, wait a second, right here. There's actually no trade opportunity. Nothing at all. Unless you got one fat candle that takes out all these highs and makes a demand zone, then we could take it off of there. Other than that, there's no trade on M15 right now. Euro, we took out these lows, yeah, so obviously that's good in it. So we took out them lows. We got a demand zone here, a supply zone here, but if you take that out, we got another one here. If you take that out, we got another one here. So I don't like the look of that at all. Oh, look at GJ. Wait a second. Right, we've got no zone there, and we've got no zone here that's in the way. Could there be another trade on GJ? Because you broke this level. We got this demand zone right here. 3.3. We can stretch that out to 4.5. I like the look of that. Broke that level. That looks good actually. That looks good. So if we look at this, we come into the M5 zone. Then we had bullish price action. This might be a potential trade. This is why I stay on the charts until 10. Oh, it doesn't matter. It's too late. It's after 10:15. You idiot. It's after 10:15. I can't take it, bro. Damn it. It's after 10:15. I can't take it. Right, boys, that's gonna be me done then. Because obviously, as I said, I don't trade after 10:15. After 10:15, I'm absolutely done. So yeah, I really wanted to potentially get in a long on GJ, but I know for a fact, yeah, with my data and stuff like that, if I take a trade after 10:15, the likelihood of it working is it's not that high. So yeah, I'm just not gonna take that risk. I'd rather be safe and sorry than risky and poor. Yeah. Wait karo. Gold consolidating. Yeah, which I prefer because all it means is gonna push down, take out this low, hopefully set this alert and try to let me tag in here with the lovely SL. Alright, bye. Fir me till high. Yeah, fir me till high. Yeah, of course, inshallah. Monday. Monday, or Sunday, where I do live analysis on Sunday. Maybe I might stop doing the live analysis on Sunday because no one really comes. I'm just wasting my own time. So either probably I'll do a live analysis on Sunday, if not Monday. But if I trade in New York session, I'll put it in the Discord if I catch anything. Bashy showed the low you just referred to on gold. This low here, London low. So this low here on London low, I think price is gonna come down, take out that low, and then I'd like it to set my alert off here, eventually watch price action. Hopefully it comes with momentum. I'm gonna keep pushing my stop loss entry down. I'm gonna keep pushing the entry further down, and then hopefully catch an entry at the low or Asia low being swiped with the 200 pip SL. And then if I do that with the 200 pip SL, for example, it takes Asia low there with a 200 pip SL, and then I can target, I just need to make 0.5%. So what's this R? 2.7 R really? That just makes 2.7 or even more achievable because we're in gold, so you can just target all-time highs anyway, yeah? But if I wanted to, I could swing it or hold it for 5R. But the plan's gonna be roll stop loss 2.5% whatever it is, and if it continues going, just let it keep going. If I roll stop loss and it tags it, then I don't care because I've made about 0.5%, so that's what I'm bothered about. I'll leave it on the chart for you, innit? There. This is going over to Monday, possibly Tuesday. I'm not expecting a 80-70 pip move on this. That's the same thing I was looking at. You're making a good sounding board. You're making a good sounding board. Yeah. Bro, Lee, I'm telling you, I'm a good trader, you know. I got this on lock. I got this on lock, lad. Psychology on point. Entries, sniper, shot boom, bang. Patience, top tier. Women, I'm slacking. So yeah, I wanted to take out London low. That's why I came to stream for a second opinion. My guy respects my opinion. Yay. But follow your own, obviously. Regardless of what I say, follow your own, innit? Because obviously if you're funded and stuff like that, bro, obviously you're doing well, innit? My butt hurts for sitting here too long. Ouch. M15, M30, bro, and 1 hour time frame, they're so easy. After going to Nick's stream for so long, yeah, all of it's just the same stuff, innit? Especially on the higher time frame. On the lower time frame, it's slightly different because you got more going on. But obviously, like M30 and stuff like that, all of it is very similar, man. I am goat. I am shotgun bang goat. Oh god. So yeah, I think that, yeah, I'm just gonna wait for New York, bro. I think I'm just gonna wait for New York. Yeah, hopefully London triggers my trade. Catch my 0.5%. If I get 1, 2, 3, 4% even more, I would absolutely be chuffed on the back of that. If I don't get it, minor, bro, it is what it is. It's not the end of the world, innit? So we'll see how that goes. But realistically on gold, I want to hold, yeah, till about 49, 390. So 4390 or 4,390, or 4,393 or 94 psychological level. That's why. And then if we break that level, then I'd like to hold for around 46, 40, 50, probably, yeah, around 40 then. So 44,440. But that's only if I get break even, and then it just keeps going. Obviously, like if it retraces and tags me, it is what it is, isn't it, Lee? Because gold, it doesn't have to retrace, but sometimes it can just like do a tiny little drop down a bit, you know. But yeah, if you got nothing to say anymore, then I'll probably cut the stream here, bro, unless you want to talk. I literally can't believe it broke that level, yeah, right there. Come back tagged into a bloody demand zone. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. And it gave break even as well. Would you look at that? But it's okay because it was like 3 minutes after, probably like 3-4 minutes after my time window anyway, so I can't take it after my time window, unfortunately. As much as I would love to, I can't. What's silver doing? Silver's come in on that zone. Silver's come into that Asia low demand zone, bounced from there, which makes sense because that's up 0.6. What about Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin still falling? Yes, it is still falling. It's fully done that level in, man. On the daily, it's fully done that key area in. Look at that, lad. Wow. It's fully done that level in. Okay. It's took this low. I don't know if it's gonna move up from here or not. I'd like to think it would, but it's took that zone and dropped by 0.5%. So looks like it's gonna keep falling off a cliff. Bitcoin is, which is good because all it means is you're getting a better discount on Bitcoin. So if you can get in at like 99, 98 or something like that, that's just a nice cheap discount. And then you can go back into the highs again. So then you're getting like a 30% discount on Bitcoin. So that's not a bad shout, to be fair. I quite like the idea of that. Right, I might as well close my phone then because nothing's happening on here. I don't trade silver, not for a particular reason. I usually find trades on gold and indices. I'm studying options over the weekend. I'll let you
/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Yeah, let me know what you learn in it. The reason I love silver, bro, honestly, silver's been an absolute monster this year. It's done such a huge rate of return. Silver has. It's been brilliant, to be fair. The only issue I would say with silver is obviously now that we're reaching all-time highs and stuff, we have had weird issues where it will do like a random 100 pip drop and stuff. And when the spreads would become 100 pips, because I think there's a lot of profit taking going on gold and stuff like that. So I think that's possibly the reason why. But yeah, silver's just been absolutely brilliant, man. If you looked at the percent increase over the span of a year, silver has outperformed gold by miles. For example, if you go on the daily chart, yeah, from obviously August, let's just say August till now, gold's up 33.4%. Silver from the same date, is up 47.3%. So it's up an extra 10% for this year. Yeah, so for this year from January, so if we go to, so let's say from here January, yeah, silver is up 89%. Silver is 89%. And if you go to obviously gold, and we look at gold right here, gold is up 69, so it's up 20% more. Now you can just look at that chart, like silver's just been on way more of a war path compared to gold. Like it hasn't really had any consolidation, whereas we had this massive consolidation on gold right here. This section, like literally this, that's a disgusting drawing. So you had this whole section right here on gold, and on silver it's just been literally like running like that. It's like a rocket, bro. So silver's outperformed gold by miles, man. Like it's just shockingly good how silver's retained that. But yeah, it's a good asset to trade if you know how to trade it and stuff like that. If you don't know how to trade it, obviously you're better off staying back and not trading that, because silver is volatile and stuff, same as gold is. But if you can get on the right side of silver and hold it for more than a week or more than a few days, you're going to get fantastic returns.
Military commission from party.
Because silver has been averaging in the last 2 weeks, yeah, on average, it's been averaging like, what was the figure when I was looking at it? The figure was something along the lines, yeah, of 2.5 to 3.5% every day for the last 2 weeks, whereas gold's only really been doing a lot less than that. Gold's done a lot less than that. It's done between like 0.4 to 0.7, 0.8%, and then on a good day you've had a 1.5% go. That's average. Now at the last week or two, you have been hitting 1 to 1.5, nearly 2% on gold. And as I said, silver's pretty much double that. There was even a few days where silver almost did 4% and gold was like 1.5. So it's doubled it plus like an extra 20%. So it has been a really good asset to trade. But right, guys, I think I'm gonna call it there then. Any idea on gold shorts? Which level is possible? Okay, wait. if gold takes out these highs, tests this key area again, and then starts to give bearish price action, then you can short from this level into around here. Yeah, silver's brilliant, man. Like, obviously I was proper like gold is better, but since I've been looking at silver, actually it's really good, bro. Like, it's actually really good. So yeah, it's been fantastic, man. Like, it's been a really good asset, in all honesty. I've actually really liked looking at it and stuff, bro. Even trading it's like been good. There has been sticky moments, but obviously like yeah, that's the only issue when you get the, because you've had it recently, we've had these like random moves right here. This would have probably been the spreads coming in, and then when the spreads come in, it's going to be like 100 pip spread. So it's probably done something like that, where what happened? What happened? Oh, what the hell? TradingView's freaking out, man. So it's done this move here, which is 30 pips. That could be spreads widening and stuff like that. That's the only issue. In the recent few days where we've had all-time high, London sessions had a massive wick on the downside.
P2 cut.
100 pip SL, no, 100 pip spread and everything, and it's just annihilated it. Just because the volume's coming in quite heavy. That's the only problem. But I think that's purely down to the reason that we're having profit taking coming on, and you know, a lot of volume and coming into the silver market, and also you're not going to get as good of a price feed from the broker because silver's not as well of a traded asset, and you can see that with the spreads becoming really wide and stuff like that. 100 pip spread on silver is probably because they can't get direct feed on silver to get good spreads. And my account is raw spread as well, so like 100 pip on spread is insane. And obviously, like, it's not a normal occurrence. So I think it's happening because of the possibly harsh profit taking and stuff like that occurring at these all-time highs. Whereas gold is still sat in a nice level and stuff. But yeah, anyway, that's what I was thinking on shorts for gold into this level and then longs from here. Right, guys, any other questions before I cut the stream? Any other questions before I let you go? If you don't have any questions, please do me a favor, hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. And I'll drop the links in the chat as well for the free Discord and trade copier and stuff like that. So here's the link for my social media. Here's the link for the trade copier. You have to use that link using that code in capitals, otherwise you won't get the discount. Otherwise the code won't work, sorry. See you later, Bashi. Yeah, peace out, Lee. I'll probably see you on the final hour or whatever it's called. Yeah, on Thingy's final hour. But guys, if you got no more questions, I will leave it there then. And then, as I said, I'll trade New York. I was like the 7th like today. That's good, man. Nice. Already got 6 likes before. That's awesome. As long as the people are staying and watching the content. Because if people like and then go away, it actually harms the algorithm, because they're saying that they're liking the content but they're leaving, so there's something not appealing about it. Rather than sitting there and staying watching the content, which helps because then it's showing viewers are staying and watching the stuff. There's 10 now. Oh, nice. That's awesome. But obviously it depends on active viewers, innit? Likes are one part of the algorithm, but it's the less important part. The more important part of the algorithm is consistent views. How many minutes are being watched, how many hours are being watched. That's the main algorithm thing in it, the main point of it. So you could have like 1 million likes, yeah, but have like a really, really low level of people watching your video, and you won't really get any money out of it. On YouTube or growth, your account won't get exposure, your channel won't get exposure, anything like that. So yeah. But anyway, guys, I appreciate it. It's been a bit tricky today. Oh my dear Lord, Lee, what the hell? That was too much, bro. What the hell, man? That was too much. This guy. You get this guy, man. I'm a bit mind blown by that. I don't know what to say. Oh my gosh. Oh, what's this? So Saudi Arabia is negotiating a defense deal with the Trump administration that would threat attacks on the kingdom as a Oh yeah, I know what they're doing. Yeah, they're just kissing ass basically. Yeah. Sorry, best behavior, bro. You dropped it out of nowhere, yeah, and I was just like, wait, what? What did you just say? What? I wasn't ready for that, bro. Yeah, best behavior for now. It's alright, bro. Just that was a mad one, isn't it? That was a mad one still. But yeah. Alright then, guys. I think we're about done there. Thanks everyone for coming. Like, share, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Discord's there for free. All my trades are in there. All the profits are in there for my trades. I haven't put my certificates in there for being funded, but I don't think that really matters. The discount code Bashy in capitals, you have to use that link, otherwise the code won't work and the discount won't work, so you won't get any discount there. And it's a copy that I use as well, so I show it on my stream often because it's the one that I use. So yeah. Right guys, take it easy. See you later. Peace out. Bye.